The Creality Ender 3 is one of the most popular entry-level 3D printers in the world, designed for hobbyists, students, makers, and DIY enthusiasts who want an affordable and customizable 3D printing experience. Known for its open-source design, strong community support, and upgrade potential, it has become a favorite choice for beginners entering the world of 3D printing. One of the biggest strengths of the Ender 3 is its fully open-source design, which allows users to modify, upgrade, and customize both hardware and software freely. This flexibility has created a massive online community where users share upgrades, print settings, troubleshooting guides, and custom modifications. The printer offers a build volume of approximately 8.66 to 8.66 plus 9.84 inches, 220, 220, 250 millimeters, providing enough space to print a wide range of objects, including prototypes, toys, models, cosplay parts, and household accessories. A standout feature is its resume printing function, which allows the printer to continue a print job after a power outage or interruption. This is especially useful for long prints, helping reduce wasted filament and failed projects. The Ender 3 uses FDM, fused deposition modeling, printing technology, and supports common materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS with appropriate settings. Its heated print bed improves adhesion and helps reduce warping during printing. The printer arrives partially assembled, making it a true DIY-style kit that allows users to learn the fundamentals of 3D printer construction and maintenance during setup. Many beginners appreciate this hands-on experience as part of learning 3D printing. Print quality is generally considered excellent for its price range, especially after proper calibration. The Ender 3 has earned strong praise from the maker community for delivering surprisingly detailed prints at a budget-friendly cost. Many users also upgrade components such as silent motherboards, auto bed leveling, and improved cooling systems over time.